Hello everyone, welcome to my Joyful and Sharp Kids channel. What are you going to learn today? Let's watch together. Capital D, small d, capital D, small d. The sound of letter D is D. What's the sound of letter D? D. Okay, now we will learn some words that begin with letter D. Door. D is for door. Door. And then D is for desk. Desk. D is for desk. Desk. Doll. D is for doll. Doll. The last one is deck. D is for deck. Deck. Door, doll, deck, desk. Okay, now let's play a game. I'm going to sing a song and you need to listen to me carefully and then point to the picture. ဆီယမကအခုတချင်းလေးတစ်ပုဒ်ဆိုပြမယ်ကလေးတို့ကဆီယမဆိုပြတဲ့တချင်းလေးကိုနားထောင်မယ်ပြီးတဲ့အခါကျရင်အဲ့ဒါဘယ်ပုံလေးဖြစ်မလဲဆိုတာကိုလက်ကလေးနဲ့လိုက်ထောက်ပေးရမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ် Okay, let's start our game. D is for door. Door. D is for door. Door. What picture it is? That's correct. It is a door. Okay, and then listen again carefully. D is for doll. Doll. D is for doll. Doll. That's correct. This is a doll. And then listen again. D is for deck. Deck. D is for deck. Deck. What picture it is? Great job. This is a deck. And then D is for desk. Desk. D is for desk. Desk. What picture it is? Great job. This is a desk. And then now you will learn the spelling of these words. ဒီစကားလုံးလေးရဲ့ spelling လေးတွေကိုလေ့လာကြည့်ရအောင် door. D O O R door. D O O R door. Now your turn. Spell the word door. Great job. D O O R door. And then listen again and spell the word doll. D O L doll. D O L doll. Great job. D O L doll. And then the next one is deck. D U C K deck. D U C K deck. Now your turn. Spell the word deck. Good job. And then the last one is desk. D E S K desk. D E S K desk. Okay, we have learned the name of letter D and then the sound of letter D and some words that begin with letter B. Now we will do exercise.အခု exercise လေးလုပ်ရအောင် 1. Look at the picture and trace the word. ရုပ်ပုံလေးတွေကိုကြည့်မယ်ပြီးရင်စာလုံးလေးတွေကိုရေးရမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်အဲ့တော့ဒါလေးတွေကတော့ကလေးတို့အတွက်အင်စာလေးဖြစ်ပါတယ် deck doll door desk အဲ့တော့ကလေးတို့စိတ်ဝင်စားရင်ပုံလေးတွေဆွဲလို့ရတယ်ဆွဲပြီးသွားရင်ကလေးအဲ့ဒီအောက်ကလေးမှာစာလုံးလေးတွေအနည်းဆုံး3ခေါက်စီထည့်ရေးပြမယ် Okay, now look at number 2. Match the picture and word. ရုပ်ပုံလေးတွေနဲ့စကားလုံးလေးတွေနဲ့ရှင်းတွဲရမှာဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့တော့ပထမဆုံးတစ်ခုကြည့်အောင် What is Great job, door. Can you spell the word door? That's great. D O O R door. And then what is deck? Can you spell the word deck? D U C K deck. Okay. Match the picture and word. The next one is doll. Okay, spell the word doll. D O doll. And then desk, spell the word desk, D-E-S-K, desk. Match the picture and the word. Okay, now let's go number 3. We arrange the words. စကားလုံးလေးတွေကိုပြန်ပြီးတော့စီးပေးရမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်။ဒါလေးကလည်းပုံလေးကို screenshot ယူပြီးတော့မှကလေးတို့အိမ်မှာလုပ်ရမယ် exercise ကလေးဖြစ်ပါတယ်။ပြန်ပြီးတော့မှရေးကြည့်မယ်နော်။ဒါမှကလေးတို့ဒီစက်လုံးလေးတွေကိုမှတ်မိလားမမှတ်မိလားသိမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်။ Number 4. Read the sentence and match with picture. စာကြောင်းလေးကိုဖတ်မယ်ပြီးရင်ရုပ်ပုံလေးနဲ့ရှင်းတွဲရမှာဖြစ်တယ်။ဒီဟာလေးကတော့ I have a ပေါ့နော်။ဒါလေးကတော့သင်မိတာဖြစ်တယ်။ I have a desk. Okay. And then this is a door. This is a door. Okay, match with the picture of door. Great job. This is a door. I have a doll. Doll. အယုတ်ကလေးတစ်လုံးနဲ့ရှင်းပြလိုက်ပါမယ် I have a doll. And then the last one is I have a deck. I have a deck. Match the picture of deck. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye. See you next video. Thank you for your watching.